We wanted to make a snow globe with Grogu, also known as Baby Yoda. Our snow globe didn't turn out the way we had hoped, but we wanted to share our experience to save you time if you are deciding to try and make a snow globe of your own. After watching a few YouTube videos, we decided to order small pom-poms that were recommended by another YouTuber to simulate snow. We then laminated a few backdrops of the Mandalorian in different sizes. In the TV show, the Mandalorian protects Baby Yoda, so we thought it would be fitting to have him in the background. After finding the right size backdrop for the lid of the jar, we cut it out and used a glue gun to glue Baby Yoda and the backdrop onto the lid. While we let that dry, we filled the jar with water almost to the top, added red glitter, 2 handfuls of pom-poms, and 2 teaspoons of glycerin. We also put waterproof sealant on the inside of the lid to prevent it from leaking. This is optional because some lids are better at sealing than others. Our first fail was that the glitter we used was extra fine glitter, so it ended up just sticking on Baby Yoda's face. The next problem was our pom-poms didn't stay down in the water for very long after we shook the jar and kept floating to the top very quickly. So on our second try, we rinsed the glitter out of the jar and added the pom-poms again. This time we squeezed them to make them absorb some of the water, as one of the snow globe how-to YouTubers recommended. Then we added glycerin again. It didn't work. Now, 5 days later, we thought the pom-poms might have absorbed the water, but they still don't stay down for very long after we shake the jar. So what we learned when making a snow globe is to use bigger glitter and to not use pom-poms again. In the end, this is an easy fix. We can just dump the pom-poms and try large white glitter flakes or bigger glitter. Hope you found our video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more crafty content. Thank you for watching.
Hope you like our video. Please subscribe.